Hello kids, today we will study Staple and Integrated Semester Series Semester 1 Nursery Alphabets. So kids, let's learn English alphabets. A for ant, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for jam, K for kiwi, L for lion, M for monkey, N for neck, O for onion, P for parrot, Q for quilt, R for rabbit, S for snake, T for tree, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for Xmas tree, Y for yak, Z for zebra. Standing lines. Standing lines are straight vertical lines. Draw standing lines by tracing the dotted lines from top to bottom. So kids, we will draw the standing line by tracing the given dotted lines. So kids, this is how standing line looks alike, and you will complete the rest of the standing line by tracing the dots. Sleeping lines. Sleeping lines are straight horizontal lines. Draw sleeping line by tracing the dotted lines from left to right. So kids, we will draw the sleeping line by tracing the dot from left to right. So kids, this is how sleeping line looks alike, and you will complete the rest of the lines by tracing the dot. Left curves. Left curves are drawn towards the left and are open towards the right. Trace the left curves from top to bottom to take the gift boxes. So kids, let's draw the left curves. So this is how left curves looks alike, and you will draw the left of the curves by joining the dots. Trace the circles. Trace and color one ball in the net to score a goal point. So kids, what we will do? We will trace the circle. So kids, this is how a circle look alike, and you will complete the rest of the footballs by joining the dots. M curves. M curves are the curves open from down side. Trace the down curves to take the boys to their house. So kids, let's draw the M curves. So this is how M curves looks alike, and you will draw the rest of the M curves on your own. Right slanting lines. Right slanting lines are bent toward the right side. Trace the right slanting lines from top to bottom to take the animals to their food. So let's draw the right slanting line. So this is how a right slanting lines look alike. So kids, you will trace the rest of the lines and draw right slanting line. Newest zigzag lines. Zigzag lines are consist of series of alternating left and right slanting lines. Trace the newest zigzag lines from left to right to help the insect reach the flower. So kids, let's draw the newest zigzag lines. So this is how a zigzag lines look alike. So kids, you will complete the rest of the lines by joining the dot. Wavy lines. Wavy lines form the series of regular curves along it. Trace the wavy lines from up to down to take the baby bees to a hive. So let's draw the wavy lines. So kids, this is how a wavy lines looks alike. You will complete the rest of the lines by joining the dots. Letter A, R. See the pictures and identify them. Use your finger to outline the letter A and R. So kids, this is letter A, R. A for apple. A, P, P, L, E. Apple. Aeroplane. A, E, R, O, P, L, A, N, E. Aeroplane. Arm. A, R, M. Arm. Arrow. A, R, R, O, W. Arrow. Alligator. A, L, L, I, G, A, T, O, R. Alligator. Repeat after your teacher. Apples, apples growing tall. They are healthy for you and all. Fun with A, R. Color the picture. So kids, you will color this picture. Draw the pictures. A fastest moving transport aeroplane. So kids, in the given boxes, you will draw a fastest moving transport aeroplane, a tiny ant, a shooting arrow, a wood cutting X. So you will draw all of their pictures in the given boxes. Letter B, B. See the picture and identify them. Use your finger to outline the letter B and B. So kids, this is letter B. B for bus. B-U-S, bus. Bird. B-I-R-D, bird. Bat. B-A-T, bat. Boat. B-O-A-T, boat. Butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, butterfly. Repeat after your teacher. We ride a big bus, speeding up or slowing down as we go. Fun with B, B. Color the picture. So kids, you will color this picture. Draw the pictures. A flying bird, a cricket bat, crossing the river by boat, butterfly hovering over flowers. So kids, you will draw these pictures in the given boxes. Letter C, K. See the pictures and identify them. Use your finger to outline the letter C and K. C. So kids, this is the letter C, K. C for cap. C-A-P, cap. Camel. C-A-M-E-L, camel. Cake. C-A-K-E, cake. Cat. C-A-T, cat. Car. C-A-R, car. Repeat after your teacher. Candy the cat is a skilled baker. She just whipped up a delicious cake. Fun with C, K. Color and complete the pictures using the code given below. A, red. B, blue. C, green. So kids, here are some given pictures and you will color them according to the code. Code A in red color, code B in blue color, code C in green color. Letter D, D. See the pictures and identify them. Use your finger to outline the letter D and D. This is the letter D. D. D for doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. Drum. D-R-U-M, drum. Duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Dog. D-O-G, dog. Deer. D-E-E-R, deer. Repeat after you, teacher. The dog, the dove, the deer in flight leap with joy from morning to night. Fun with the duh. Color the picture. So kids, you will color this picture. Find and tick the circle with the letter which is the first letter of the name of each picture. This is the picture of aeroplane. B, A, C. A. A is the first letter of aeroplane. So we will tick the letter A. Bird. This is the picture of bird. B, C, A. The right answer is B. B is the first letter of bird. Car. D, A, C. The right answer is C because C is the first letter of car. Deer. D, B, C. D is the right answer because D is the first letter of deer. Letter E, A. See the pictures and identify them. Use your finger to outline the letter E, A. This is the letter E, A. E for egg. E-G-G, egg. Engine. E-N-G-I-N-E, engine. Eagle. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Eye. E-Y-E, eye. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Repeat after your teacher. Ellie the elephant loves her treat. She shares her eggs so warm and sweet. Fun with E, A. Trace the pattern and color the picture. So kids, first you will trace the given pattern. For example, kids, like this you will trace the all dots and complete the picture, and after that you will color this beautiful picture in your favorite colors. Letter F, fur. See the pictures and identify them. Use your finger to outline the letter F and fur. This is the letter F, fur. F for fan. F-A-N, fan. Flag. F-L-A-G, flag. Frog. F-R-O-C-K, frog. Fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Flower. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Repeat after your teacher. Freddy the fish dreams of the sky. He flips and leaps, still aiming high. Fun with F, fur. Color the picture. So kids, you will color this picture in beautiful colors. Circle the pictures that start with F. So kids, this is the letter F and here are given some pictures. You will circle the picture which names start with letter F. Fan, yes. We will circle this picture. Aeroplane, no. Frog, yes. Apple, no. Donkey, no. Frog, yes. Revision 1. Match each small letter to its capital letter and color the correct picture. So kids, let's match the small letter to its capital letter. A, D, D, E, B, B, C, F. Kids, you will also color the given pictures. Revision 2. Point to the picture when your teacher says its name. So kids, this is your classroom activity. Your teacher says these pictures' name and you will point the picture. Revision 3rd. Look at picture and circle the correct letters. So, this is the picture of cow. Let's find the correct letter. B, A, C. So, the right letter is C. This is the picture of duck. D, F, A. The right answer is D. This is the picture of aeroplane. C, A, B. The right answer is A. This is the picture of bear. A, C, B. The right answer is B. This is the picture of egg. C, D, E. The right answer is E. This is the picture of butterfly. F, B, A. The right answer is B. This is the picture of bag. D, B, E. The right answer is B. This is the picture of fish. F, A, D. The right answer is F. This is the picture of cake. A, F, C. The right answer is C. This is the picture of flower. D, A, F. The right answer is F. Letter G, G. See the pictures and identify them. Use your finger to outline the letters G and G. This is the letter G, G. G for girl. G-I-R-L, girl. Giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. Gun. G-U-N, gun. Gift. G-I-F-T, gift. Grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Repeat after your teacher. A glass of juice so rich and sweet, green grass sways in the garden's beat. Fun with G, go. Color the picture. So kids, you will color this picture. Trace the given patterns. So kids, you will trace the given patterns by joining the dots. Like this. Letter H, her. See the pictures and identify them. Use your finger to outline the letter H and her. This is the letter H, her. H for horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Hen, H-E-N, hen. Honey, H-O-N-E-Y, honey. Hat, H-A-T, hat. Hammer, H-A-M-M-E-R, hammer. Repeat after your teacher. The horse and hare feel the heat so high. They hop and jump as the sun shines by. Fun with H, her. Color the picture. So kids, you will color this picture. Look at the pictures carefully and match the picture with the correct alphabet. So kids, you will match these pictures with their name's alphabet. For example, this is the picture of dog. D. Cake. C. Elephant. E. Aeroplane, A. Horse, H. Fish, F. Letter I, E. See the pictures and identify them. Use your finger to outline the letter I and E. This is the letter I, E. I for India, I-N-D-I-A, India. Ink, I-N-K, ink. Igloo, I-G-L-O-O, igloo. Ice cream, I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M, ice cream. Iron, I-R-O-N, iron. Repeat after your teacher. The igloo stands so cold and bright, a frozen home a lovely sight. Fun with I, E. Color the picture. So kids, you will color this picture in beautiful color. Circle the pictures that start with I. So kids, this is the letter I and here are some pictures given. You will circle the pictures which names start with letter I. Island, yes. Injection, yes. Eyes, yes. Cap, no. Snowman, no. India, yes. Letter J, J. See the pictures and identify them. Use your finger to outline the letter J and J. This is the letter J, J. J for jug, J-U-G, jug. Jar, J-A-R, jar. Joker, J-O-K-E-R, joker. Jeep, J-E-E-P, jeep. Juice, J-U-I-C-E, juice. Repeat after your teacher. Jack the Joker loves his treat. He shares his jelly, oh so sweet. Fun with J, J. Color the picture. Kids, you will color this picture in beautiful colors. Find and take the circle with the letter which is the first letter of the name of each picture. So, this is the picture of grape. H-G-I. Right answer is G. G is the first letter of grapes. This is the picture of hat. G-J-H. The right answer is H. H is the first letter of hat. This is the picture of ink pot. I-H-J. The right answer is I. I is the first letter of ink pot. This is the picture of Joker. J-I-G. The right answer is J. J is the first letter of Joker. Letter K, K. See the pictures and identify them. Use your finger to outline the letter K and K. This is the letter K, K. K for kite, K-I-T-E, kite. King, K-I-N-G, king. Kettle, K-E-T-T-L-E, kettle. Key, K-E-Y, key. Knife, K-N-I-F-E, knife. Repeat after your teacher. The king delights in kites so high. In red, blue and white they fly. Fun with K, K. Color the picture. Kids, you will color this picture. Look at the pictures carefully and match the picture with the correct alphabet. So, kids, this is the picture of jar. We will match the picture with letter J. This is the picture of hen. We will match the picture with letter H. This is the picture of engine. We will match the picture with letter E. So kids, like this you will complete the rest of the answers. Letter L, L. See the pictures and identify them. Use your finger to outline the letter L and L. This is the letter L. L. L for lion. 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 Lamp. 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 Lock. 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 Ladybug. 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 Leaf. 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 Repeat after your teacher. Freddy the fish dreams of the sky. He flips and leaps, still aiming high. Fun with L. L. Color the picture. So kids, color this picture in beautiful colors. Circle the picture that start with L. You will circle that picture which name start with letter L. This is the picture of lion. Yes. Lock. Yes. Banana. No. Shirt. No. Dog. No. Doctor. No. Letter M. Ma. See the pictures and identify them. Use your finger to outline the letter M and Ma. This is the letter M. Ma. M for mango. 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 Money. 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 Moon. 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 Muskmelon. Muskmalon. Muskmelon. Monkey. 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 Repeat after your teacher. Many the monkeys swing up high, enjoying a mango under the sky. Fun with M. Ma. Color the picture. So kids, you will color this picture. Color the circle which is the first letter of the name of each thing. So kids, this is the picture of gift. H-I-G. You will color the alphabet G because G is the first letter of gift. This is the picture of horse. H-J-I. So the right answer is H. You will color this circle because H is the first letter of horse. This is the picture of eyes. K-I-G. Right answer is I. You will color this circle because I is the first letter of eyes. Jar. I-G-J. You will color the letter J because J is the first letter of jar. Kiwi. G-K-H. You will color the letter K because K is the first letter of kiwi. Lion. L-G-K. You will color the letter L because L is the first letter of lion. Revision 4. Match each small letter to its capital letter and color the correct picture. So, let's match the small letter to its capital letter. Small h, capital H, small g, capital G, small I, capital I, small k, capital K, small j, capital J, small l, capital L. Kids, you will also color the given pictures. Revision 5. Point to the pictures when your teacher says its name. So kids, this is your classroom activity. Your teacher says the name of one of these pictures and you will point that picture. Revision 6. Look at pictures and circle the correct letter. This is the picture of girl. G-H-I. Right answer is G. This is the picture of kettle. M-L-K. The right answer is K. This is the picture of lion. K-L-M. Right answer is L. This is the picture of hat. L-M-H. The right answer is H. This is the picture of joker. J-I-K. The right answer is J. This is a picture of igloo. K-I-J. The right answer is I. This is the picture of ice cream. I-N-J. The right answer is I. This is the picture of jug. J-I-K. The right answer is J. This is the picture of horse. H-J-I. The right answer is H. This is the picture of grapes. M-H-G. The right answer is G. Kids, let's sing a rhyme together. Early to bed. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Circle these things hidden in the pictures. So kids, you will circle these things which is hidden in this picture. Let's sing rhyme together. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Circle these things hidden in the picture. So kids, you will see the picture carefully and then circle these given things. Big and small. See and understand. Big, small. So, here we can see this is the picture of camel and camel is big. And this is the picture of goat. Goat is small. Small, big. So this is the picture of rabbit and rabbit is small. And this is the picture of hippopotamus and hippopotamus is big. Tick on the picture which is bigger. Elephant or crab, which is bigger? Elephant. Tick on the picture which is smaller. Rat or dolphin, which is smaller? Rat is smaller. Time for practice. Trace and color. So kids, you will trace the given dots and complete the picture and after that you will color it. For example, this is how you will trace the given dots and complete the pattern and after that you will color this picture. So kids, this is how you will trace all the dots and then complete the pattern and color the picture. Take the objects that are taller, cross the objects that are shorter. So, there are two coconut trees. Which tree is taller? This tree is taller, so we will tick the box. And this coconut tree is smaller, so we will cross the box. This is the picture of giraffe. So, which giraffe is taller? This giraffe is taller, so we will tick the box. And this giraffe is shorter, so we will cross the box. Long and short. See and understand. Long, short. So, here we can see the picture of two different trees. One is long and one is short. Short and long. Here we can see the picture of two girls. One girl is short and the other girl is long. Take the fruit which is shorter. Mango, banana. Which fruit is shorter? Mango. Take the object which is longer. Ball, bat. Bat is longer. Time for practice. Trace and color. So kids, you will trace the given dots and then complete the pattern. After completing it, you will color it. For example, like this, you will join all the dots and complete the pattern. And same as with this picture. So kids, like this, joining the dots and after joining the dots and complete the picture, you will color these pictures. Take the correct picture and complete each concept. Big and small. tick the big. So, we will tick the big one. Big, small. This picture is big. Long and short. Tick the long. So, long and short. Which picture is long? This is a long. Light and heavy. Objects that can be lifted effortlessly are light. Objects that require more effort to lift are heavy. Let's explore some examples. Leaf is light, mountain is heavy. So kids, here we can see two different pictures. One is leaf and the other is a mountain. So which is heavy? Mountain is heavy and leaf is light in weight. This is the picture of watermelon. Watermelon is heavy. Tomato is light. So, watermelon is heavy in weight and tomato is light in weight. When is heavier than nest? Yes, when is heavier than nest. Ant is lighter than crocodile. Yes, ant is lighter than crocodile. Bat is heavier and ball is lighter. Yes, bat is heavy in weight and ball is light in weight. Can you identify some light and heavy objects around you? So kids, this question you will answer on your own. Tick the object that is heavier in each pair. So, let's take the picture which is heavier. Apple or house? House is heavier than apple. Elephant or butterfly? Elephant is heavier than butterfly. Cap or engine? Engine is heavier than cap. Activity: match the object that are the duplicate with a line. So kids, let's match the pictures which are similar in lines. For example, this toffee to this toffee. This balloon to this balloon. These candies to these balloons. They are all similar in lines. Enjoyment time, match the picture to its color. So, let's match the picture. Colored fairy to uncolored fairy. Colored tomato to uncolored tomato. Colored duck to uncolored duck. Color flower to uncolored flower. Same and different. See and understand. Same and different. So kids, here you can see the picture of two teddy bears which are same in colors and also they are wearing same costume. And in this picture we can see three different kind of teddy bears. One is little bit tiny and one is little bit fatty and all of three them wearing different colors costume. Take the picture having the same objects. So kids, here you can see three different kind of balls. Is it right? No. Here you can see two same objects, which means two same balls. Is it right? Yes. Here you can see in this picture two similar caps. Is it right? Yes. Here in this picture you can see three caps but in different color. Is it right? No. Color the box under the shorter one is green. Color the box under the taller one is yellow. So kids, the object which is taller you will color in yellow and which is shorter you will color the box in green. So, which Eiffel Tower is taller? This one. So, you will color the given box in yellow. And this Eiffel Tower is shorter, so you will color the box in green. Who is the taller and who is the shorter in girl and boy? Girl is shorter, so you will color the box in green, and for boy, you will color the box in yellow. Color the taller jar. So kids, this is the taller jar and you will color it. Less and more. Less children, more mice. So kids, here you can see the less children. There are only 3 children. 1, 2, 3. That's why these are less. But here, if we count, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 mice, which means they are more. So that's why we say more mice. Which has more fruits? In this picture, it has more fruits, and in this picture, it has less fruits. Take the object that are more, cross the object that are less. So, there are 2 mango trees. Which tree has more mangoes? This tree. So, we will tick the box. And which tree has less mangoes? This tree. So, we will cross the box. 3 bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bananas. Which are less bananas? 3 bananas are less. So, we will cross the box. And 5 bananas are more. So, we will tick the box. Less and more, 2. Tick the less object, tick the more objects. 1, 2, 2 tomatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 tomatoes. So 2 tomatoes are less than 4 tomatoes. 1, 2, 3, 3 cakes. 1, 2, 2 cakes. So 3 cakes are more than 2 cakes. 1 nest. 1, 2, 2 nest. So 1 nest is less than 2 nest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lattu, 1 lattu. So 5 lattus are more than 1 lattu. Take the jar with more butterflies. So kids, here we can see 2 jars which has butterflies. So which jar has more butterflies? This jar. So we will tick the box. Take the box with less flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 flowers. So these are 8 flowers and these are 6 flowers. So 6 flowers are less than 8 flowers. So we will tick the box. Tick the box with less toffees. 1, 2, 3. 3 toffees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 toffees. So 3 toffees are less than 9 toffees. So we will tick the box. Numbers around us. Take the objects that have numbers on them. So kids, here you can see some pictures are given. So you will tick that picture which shows some number or any number. This is a picture of watch. Can you see the number? Yes. This is a picture of sofa. Can you see the number in picture? No. This is the picture of calculator. Can you see the number in the picture? Yes. This is the picture of bucket. Can you see the number? No. This is the picture of flower pot. Can you see the number in the picture? No. This is the picture of remote. Can you see the number? Yes. This is the picture of van. Can you see the number in the picture? Yes. This is the picture of cell phone. Can you see the number? Yes. This is the picture of umbrella. Can you see the number in the picture? No. Number 1. Learn the number 1. This is the number 1. O-N-E 1. 1. Tiger. Tick the boxes that represent 1. So you will tick that boxes which represent the number 1. How many fingers can you see? 1. How many mangoes can you see in the picture? 2. So this is wrong. We will not take this picture. Repeat after your teacher. Slide your pencil down with grace. Number 1 has found its place. Fun with number 1. Color the picture. So kids, you will color this picture in beautiful colors. Color one teddy bear. So in the given picture, you will color only one teddy bear. Trace number with crayon. So kids, you will trace all the dots and complete the number 1. Trace and write. So kids, in the given picture, you can see the dots has been given. You will trace all the dots and complete the number 1 like this. So kids, like this you will complete all the number given in this page. Number 2. Learn the number 2. This is the number 2. TWO 2. 2 rabbits. Tick the boxes that represent 2. So kids, you will tick that picture which represent number 2. How many fingers can you see in the picture? 2. How many balls can you see in the picture? 1. So this is wrong. Repeat after your teacher. Curve from the top, stretch it through. Shout out loud, it is number 2. Fun with 2. Color the picture. You will color this picture. Match 2 with 2 objects. So kids, this is the number 2. You will match the object which represent number 2. For example, 2 leaves, 2 arrows, 1 balloon. No, 1 balloon is not represent the number 2. So we will not match the balloon to number 2. Trace number with crayon. So kids, with the help of crayons, you will trace the given number. Trace and write. So kids, here you can see there are given dots. You will trace them and write the number 2 like this. This is how you will complete this whole page. Number 3. Learn the number 3. This is the number 3. THREE 3. 3 penguin. 1, 2, 3. 3 penguin. Take the boxes that represent 3. How many fingers can you see in the picture? 3. So we will tick the box. How many pigeon can you see in the picture? 1, 2, 3. So this is right. We will also take this box. Repeat after your teacher. Draw a curve, then one more 2. Number 3 is here for you. Fun with 3. Color the picture. Kids, you will color this given picture. Count and circle. So kids, you will count and then circle. How many pomegranates are here? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 pomegranates. 2, 3, 1. So the correct answer is 3. Trace number with crayon. So kids, with the help of crayon, you will trace this given number. Trace and write. So kids, you will trace the given dots and complete the number 3 like this. This is how you will complete the all numbers. Number 4. Learn the number 4. This is number 4. FOUR 4. 4 dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dogs. Take the box that represent 4. How many fingers can you see in the picture? 1, 2, 3. So this is wrong. How many balloons can you see in the picture? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 balloons. So this is right. We will tick the box. Repeat after your teacher. Line straight down, then cross once more. That's the way to make a 4. Fun with 4. Color the picture. So kids, you will color this picture. Color 4 strawberries. So kids, You can see there are many strawberries are given. You will color only 4 strawberries. Trace number with crayon. So kids, with the help of crayon, you will trace the given number 4. Trace and write. So kids, you will trace the given dots and complete the number 4 like this. This is how you will complete the number 4 in the given page. Number 5. Learn the number 5. This is number 5. F-I-V-E 5. 5 tomatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tomatoes. Tick the boxes that represent 5. How many fingers can you see in the picture? 5. So this is right. How many balls can you see the picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 balls. You will take this picture. Repeat after your teacher. Pull it down and curve just right. Stretch it out. 5 takes it tight. Fun with 5. Color the picture. Kids, you will color this picture. Match 5 with 5 objects. So kids, you will match the 5 objects with 5 number. 1, 2, 3. 3 lattus? No. 1, 2. 2 bats? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balloons? Yes. We will match the 5 balloons to number 5. Trace number with crayon. So kids, with the help of crayon, you will trace the number 5. Trace and write. So kids, you will trace the given dots and complete the number 5. Like this. This is how you will complete the number 5 in the given page. Number revision 1 to 5. Find and color the circle with given color code 1 to 5. So kids, here are some circles are given and there are also written some numbers on it. So with the help of color code, you will color the circle. For example, circle 1, you will color in green. Circle 2, you will color in red. Circle 3, you will color in yellow. Circle 4, you will color in blue. Circle 5, you will color in pink. Circle 3, you will color in yellow. And again, circle 1, you will color in green. So this is how you will complete this activity. Fun with number. Find and color as per color code. So kids, there are balloons given and also some numbers are given with the color code. So, you will color the uncolored balloons according to the number code. So, number 1 balloon, you will color in yellow. Number 3 balloon, you will color in green. Number 5 balloon, you will color in purple. Number 2 balloon, you will color in pink. Number 2 balloon, you will color in pink. Number 4 balloon, you will color in blue. So this is how you will complete this activity. Count and write. Count and write the number for each item. So we will count the given items and then write their number in the given box. 1, 2. 2 heads. So we will write number 2. 1, 2, 3. 3 tomatoes. We will write number 3. 1 penguin. We will write number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 mangoes. So we will write number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls. We will write number 4. 1 on 1. Match the books to the correct set of pens. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 books. So we will write the 4 books to 4 pens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pens. 1, 2, 3. 3 books. 3 pens. 1, 2. 2 books. 2 pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 books. 5 pens. 1 book. 1 pen. Match the numbers to the set of objects. So kids, we will match these numbers to the given sets of objects. For example, 1. One elephant. 5. 5 arrows. 3. 3 leaves. 4. 4 ladyfinger. 2. 2 hut. Number with names. Tick the correct number with name. Number 2. FOUR 4 TWO2. So, the right answer is TWO2. Number 1. ONE1 THREE3. The right answer is ONE1. Number 4. FIVE 5 FOUR4. So the right answer is FOUR4. Number 5. FIVE 5 ONE1 FIVE5. Number 3. TWO2 THREE3. So the right answer is THREE3. Color by code. Use the correct color code to complete the picture. So kids, you will color this picture with the help of the given color code. For example, you can see the number 1 is written here. You will color the number 1 area in dark blue. You can see the number 2 is written in this area. You will color this part in pink. Here you can see number 3 is written. You will color this part in sky blue. Here you can see number 4. So we'll color this part in green. Here you can see number 5 is written. You will color this part in orange. Let's enjoy. My dream home so warm and bright, glowing softly in the night. Walls of love and dreams so true, a happy place for me and you. Number maze. Help the little butterfly to reach the garden by following number. So kids, this is called maze. So you will help butterfly to reach the garden by following the given numbers. For example, she'll start from number 1 here. Then follow number 2. Then number 3. Then number 4 and 5, and she reached to the garden. Count and learn. See and understand. 1. 1 apple plus 1, 2. 2 apples is equals to 1, 2, 3, 3 apples. 1, 2, 3, 3 mangoes plus 1, 2, 2 mangoes is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 mangoes. 1, 2, 2 pears plus 1, 2, 2 pears equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 pears. So kids, let's sing a rhyme together. Johnny, Johnny. Johnny, Johnny, yes papa, eating sugar, no papa, telling lies, no papa, open your mouth, ha ha ha. Circle these things hidden in the picture. So kids, you can see these things are given here. You will circle them which are hidden in this given picture. Kids, let's sing a rhyme together. Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty Dumpty together again. Circle these hidden in, repeat. Circle these things hidden in the picture. So kids, here you can see some things are given. You will circle them after finding in this picture. Myself. Look in the mirror. Paste your photo here. This is me. So kids, all of you will paste your picture here. My name, you will write your name. Class, you will write your class. your section, roll number, I am dash year old. So here you will write your age. My face. Look in the mirror and point to the parts of your face. So let's learn the part of the face. Head, ear, mouth, eye, nose. Select the color of your eyes. So kids, you will select the color of your eyes. My body. Look at the different body part. Eye, ear, tongue, finger, legs, heels, head, nose, mouth, arm, hand, knee, foot. For the teacher, pin a full body picture of a boy on the classboard. Let the children practice pinning labels on different body parts like eye, nose, etc. Fun body movements. Let us play a game. Can you do these movements? So kids, we will learn some body movements. So the boy is sitting. The girl is dancing. The girl is skipping. The boy is running. The boy is jumping. Action sings. Point to the body part as you sing the rhyme. So kids, let's learn some action words. Bend, pick, sing, play, blow, wash, wave, sit, stand, ride. So these are some action words. 5 senses. We have 5 senses: sight, touch, taste, hear, smell. So kids, these are our 5 senses. Match the body parts with the work it does. So kids, we will match the body parts with the work it does. For example, eye to see, ear to listen, hand to clap, nose to smell, tongue to taste. Emotions. See in the mirror and copy these emotions. Watch how your face changes. So kids, this is your activity. You will see your face in the mirror and then copy these emotions. Smile. This is my happy face. Yawn. This is my tired face. Cry. This is my sad face. Frown. This is my angry face. Look and feel. Tick the correct emotion. So kids, here you can see in the picture, girl is swimming. Is she happy or sad? She is happy. So this is her smiling face. In this picture, you can see boys are fighting. So they are yawning or they are angry. They are angry. So kids, in this picture, you can see mother is scolding son. So son is happy or sad? Son is sad. Eyes. Tick the activities for which we need eyes. So kids, do we need eyes to listening? No. Do we need eyes to eating? No. Do we need eyes to watching? Yes. Do we need eyes to playing? No. Do we need eyes reading? Yes. Do we need eyes to operating? Yes. Ears. Tick the activities for which we need ears. Do we need ears for book reading? No. Do we need ears to music listening? Yes. Do we need ears to listening? Yes. Do we need ears to operating? Yes. Do we need ears for flowery smell? No. Do we need ears to playing? No. Hands. Tick the activities for which we need hands. So, do we need hands to music listening? No. Do we need hands for hands carrying? Yes. Do we need hands to smelling? No. Do we need hands to operating? Yes. Do we need hands to playing? Yes. Do we need hands to cleaning? Yes. Nose. Tick the activities for which we need the nose. Do we need the nose for flowery smell? Yes. Do we need the nose for book reading? No. Do we need the nose for TV watching? No. Do we need the nose for smelling? Yes. Do we need the nose for morning? No. Do we need the nose for eating? No. Tongue. Tick the activities for which we need the tongue. Do we need the tongue for fruit tasting? Yes. Do we need the nose for TV watching? No. Do we need the tongue for food tasting? Yes. Do we need the tongue for drinks tasting? Yes. Do we need the tongue for ice cream tasting? Yes. Do we need the tongue for good morning? No. Taste. Tick the items that have a sweet taste. So kids, we will take those items which are sweet in taste. Jam. Yes. Ice cream. Yes. Gulab jamun. Yes. Dhokla. No. Laddus. Yes. Cake. Yes. Pizza. No. Butter. No. Chips. No. Roti. No. Burger. No. Texture. Tick the items that are hard to touch. So kids, here you can see some pictures are given. So we will take that picture which is hard in touch. Sofa. No. Teddy bear. No. Coal. Yes. Log. Yes. Flower. No. Table. No. My family. So kids, we will learn about our family. Brother, grandfather, grandmother, sister, mother, father. There are dash members in my family. So kids, here you write the number of members in your family. For the teacher, ask the children to learn the names of their grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, brother and sister. This is my mother. Paste photograph here. So, in this given space, you will paste your mother picture here. This is my father. Paste photograph here. So, in this space, you will paste your father photograph here. This is my brother and sister. Paste photograph here. You will paste your brother or sister photograph here. These are my grandfather and grandmother. Paste photograph here. So kids, here you will paste your grandfather or grandmother's picture. Activities with family. Look and point to the pictures while you listen to the activities. So kids, we will learn some activities name which we do with our family or family members. We eat dinner, we play games, we watch television, we go to the market, we go to the garden, we read stories. My house. Look at the picture of this house carefully. So kids, you will see this picture carefully. Which is your favorite place in your house? So you will answer this question on your own and tell which is the favorite place in your house. Talk to your friends about it. and you will talk to your friends about your favorite place in the house. Living room. Identify and name each items in the living room. So kids, this is a picture of living room and you will identify the items and write their names. For example, television, lamp, curtain, sofa, pillows. So you will write all the items' name in your notebook. For the teacher, discuss with the children about the things they have in their living room. Bedroom. Identify and name each item in the bedroom. So kids, you will look at this picture carefully and then write the item's name in your notebook. For the teacher, discuss with the children about the things they have in their bedroom. Bathroom. Identify and name each items in the bathroom. So kids, this is a picture of bathroom. So you will see this picture carefully and then name the items. For the teacher, discuss with the children about the things they have in their bathroom. Kitchen. Identify and name each items in the kitchen. So kids, this is the picture of kitchen. So you will name the items which you can see in the picture. For the teacher, discuss with the children about the things they have in their kitchen. Match the pictures with their names. So kids, here you can see some pictures are given. So we will match the pictures to their name. Clock. Pillow. Lamp. Telephone. Curtain. Floor mat. Television. Bed. Sofa. Dressing table. Maze 1. Help the lion to reach the den. So kids, here you can see a maze and you will help the lion to reach the den. So kids, you will do this activity on your own. Kids, let's sing a rhyme together. Early to bed, early to rise. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Morning routine. Number these activity as you do them. So, in first picture, eating breakfast. Second, brushing teeth. Third, waking up. Fourth, packing school bag. Fifth, taking bath. Sixth, going to school. So the first thing you do in morning is waking up. So number first. And the second thing is you brush your teeth. Number 2. The third thing you do taking bath. Number 3. After that, you eat your breakfast. Number 4. Then you pack your school bag. Number 5. And then you go to school. Number 6. Work at home. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. Safety at home. Do not do these. Do not jump on bed. Do not run on stairs. Do not touch power buttons. Do not play with fire. Do not play with sharp objects. My classroom. So kids, this is the picture of classroom. Game. Find the given objects in picture above and color the box below correct picture which you find. So kids, you will see this picture very carefully and then answer the given questions. Clock. Can you find the clock? Yes. Then you will color this box. Chalk. Can you find the chalk? Yes. Then you will color the box. This is how you do this activity. There are different rooms in a school. Computer lab, library, canteen, auditorium, swimming pool, principal's room. You study in dash class. You will write your class name here. Your class section is dash. You will write your section name here. My school playground. I love my school. School building, slide, playground, jungle gym. So all these things you find in your school playground. Safety at schools. Talk about the given pictures. Don'ts, do's. Don't push anybody. Don't cheat. Don't jump on desks. Do's. Use stairs carefully. Share things. Study together. Clothes. Let's learn some clothes name. T-shirt, frock, shirt, shorts, skirt, trouser, vest, jeans, jacket, coat, cap, socks, belt, handkerchief. Name a cloth that you wear in summer. For the teacher, 1. Discuss with the children about the clothes they wear in different seasons. 2. Encourage them to keep their clothes clean. Match the following. So kids, here some pictures are given of clothes and their names. So we will match these pictures to their name. T-shirt, shorts, jacket, socks, jeans. Kids, let's sing a rhyme together. Lucy Locket. Lucy Locket lost her pocket. Kitty Fisher found it. Not a penny was there in it, only a ribbon around it. Circle these things hidden in the picture. So kids, you will see this picture carefully and then circle the hidden things in the picture. Kids, let's sing a rhyme together. Mummy and Daddy, I love you. Mummy and Daddy, I love you. Come to me when I call you. Give me a kiss when I ask you. Mummy and Daddy, I love you. Circle these things hidden in the picture. So kids, you will see the picture carefully and then circle the given hidden things. Different colors. Tippy tippy top, what color you want? I want red color. Tippy tippy top, what color you want? I want yellow color. Tippy tippy top, what color you want? I want green color. Tippy tippy top, what color you want? I want blue color. Tippy tippy top, what color you want? I want black color. Activity. Color the given picture as instructed. Count and color 1 as sun with yellow. Count and color 2 trees with green. Count and color 3 fish with pink. Count and color 4 clouds with blue and count and color 5 butterflies with red color. So kids, first you will count the pictures and then you will color them accordingly. If any item is 1, you will color it in yellow. If any item is 2 in number, you will color it in green. If any item is 3 in numbers, you will color in pink. If any item 4 in numbers, so you will color it in blue. And if any item is 5 in numbers, so you will color it in red. Blue. Identify and label the picture. Sky, sea, ink, crayon. All the pictures here are blue in color. Blue color. Color the fish with blue crayon. So kids, you will color this given fish in blue crayon. Red. Identify and label the pictures. red apple, red rose, red cherry, red tomato, red strawberry, red pomegranate. All the pictures here are red in color. Red color. Color the apple with red crayon. So kids, you will color this apple with red crayon. Yellow. Identify and label the pictures. Yellow banana, yellow sunflower, yellow chick, yellow mango, yellow sun, yellow marigold. All the pictures here are yellow in color. Yellow color. Color the sun with yellow crayon. So kids, you will color this sun with yellow crayon. Green. Identify and label the pictures. Green pear, green watermelon, green grasshopper, green tree, green cabbage, green lady's finger. All the pictures here are green in color. Green color. Color the grapes with green crayons. So kids, you will color the given grapes with green crayon. Finger printing. Dip your finger in colors and create fairy light. So kids, you will dip your finger in colors and then create fairy lights like given here. Palm printing. Dip your palm in yellow color and create a chick. So kids, you will dip your palm in yellow color and then give impression on paper and create a chick. Toothbrush painting. Dip a toothbrush in color, place a fallen leaf on the paper and spray. So kids, first you will dip your toothbrush in color and then place a fallen leaf on a paper and then spray the brush. Water resist painting. Scribble on the paper with a white crayon. Paint over it with watercolors and a brush. So first you will scribble on the paper with white crayon and then you will paint it with watercolor. Marble printing. Paste a blue marble paper inside the rabbit. So kids, here you can see the picture of rabbit. You will place the blue marble paper inside the rabbit. Origami yacht. Let's make a yacht by using origami paper as shown below. So first you will take origami paper, then first fold in half, second fold through the dotted line, third again fold through the dotted line, fourth finish. Cite words. I, my, this. A, on, N. In is the. M. Write the missing alphabets. So kids, let's write the missing alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Help the lion. Help the lion to reach the den by tracing the path using crayon. So kids, you will trace the given path with the crayon and then help the lion to reach the den. So kids, I hope you enjoy learning. See you in the next class.